YouTube has not been recommending your videos, guys, this is an opportunity for you to go to straight to your YouTube studio and just do these two settings I'm going to mention now. It works like magic. Because ever since I did this on my channel, look at what, look at my videos within 7 days, within last 28 days. Like, this is my videos on my channel within last 28 days, guys. So the first thing I want you to go to straight to your YouTube studio to go and do when I start screen recording, just watch this video to the end. But before I'll continue, have you subscribed to my channel? What are you waiting for? Please hit on subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, because I have a lot of things to share with you guys. If I see any updates, if I learn any new thing that will help me to grow on this channel, I will always bring it here to you guys that needed this. And when you apply it, definitely it's going to work for you. As long as it works for me, it will work for you. Now I will go over to screen record. I don't know, I'll go over to my screen and start screen recording ASAP. So guys, let me start screen recording. First of all, we are going to go to Chrome browser. If you have a laptop, it will be very easy for you, but if you don't have a laptop, we are going to use Chrome browser. Now, what the first thing I'll do is I'll search in for studio.youtube.com. I always go there, guys. I will always go there. So anytime I just type it, all of them will show. So I'll go over and click on the first one. Then after clicking on the first one, you see you visit there often. That is where I always do my settings, putting on all my customization, you understand. So I'll click on the one I visit always. Of course, it's going to open. Now let's wait for it to upload or open. So guys, this is it. I just posted a video today. Now this is what I want you to do. You see this setting down here? You will see a setting down here. You're gonna go over to this icon and click on it. Yes, watch this video till the end. Listen, it's very, very important. Now you're going to go over to channel, click on channel. Now you see, I will add keywords. I am going to add keywords on this channel, this particular channel. Now I'm going to add keywords. Now my keywords is gonna be how to grow on YouTube. This channel now that you're watching, I've already customized everything, but this one I just want to customize this so that I will start uploading videos. Okay, I've already customized in this channel I'm posting now, but in my second channel, guys, I'm doing this so that you guys will see the same thing I did on my first channel, that is making it to have massive views. How to grow on YouTube. I am still going to put names of big YouTubers on this place. How to grow on YouTube. Your keyword should be exactly what you're doing on your channel. Like, I do entertainment videos as well. Entertainment videos on my channel. I do lifestyle 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 and lifestyle and let me say tutorial and lifestyle. Okay, now I'm going to be bringing in the names of people that I am always watching. Like, I always watch their videos and I get encouraged, and they have massive views, so that whenever people search their names on YouTube, they are going to see my own video. Now this is another secret, guys. Now I'm going to put my own name, Nurse Chacha Family, Nurse Chacha Family TV, so that when people search for Nurse Chacha Family TV, they will also see my videos. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some YouTubers that I always watch their videos, and so that when people search for their name, they will also see my video. Now I'm going to put Princess Chiamaka Tutor Chiamaka Tutor Zone. I'm going to go ahead and put Vibe with Sonia. Yes. I'm going to go ahead and put think media, and I'm going to go ahead and put like couple videos, because I also do couple videos on this channel. Couple videos, entertainment, funny couple videos, funny couple videos. What else am I doing on this channel? Funny couple videos, comedy skits, husband and wife comedy, husband and wife comedy. Now in this first one, I'm still going to put some keywords, which is I'm still going to put some keywords, which is let me say how to YouTube tips, because I also teach YouTube tips, tutorials, editing tutorials. I also teach editing on this channel. Editing tutorials. What else? VDIQ. I also watch his videos as well. VDIQ, and they give me like, I've learnt a lot from these people. Jazzy Studio. I'm putting this so that once they when I upload video, they will also, when the people watch their video, they will also see my video. You see, all these keywords I am putting right here is going to help you a lot. It's going to change your channel. Ever since I put these keywords on my on my second channel, I've been having massive views. There is a massive views on my channel. So make sure you put enough keywords about what you are doing on your channel. All these things are what I do on my channel. I talk about YouTube growth, I do lifestyle videos, I do entertainment, I do funny couple videos, and I also put all these people that's like, when I am doing teaching videos, I watch other people's videos like Vibe with Sonia, Princess Chamaka, VDIQ, Think Media. All these people, I watch them, and I got a lot of information from them. So I'll put it here so that when people want to search about them, they will also see my video. You understand? So I'm going to go ahead and put some other keywords that I know I am doing on this channel, which is like, there's another family, the Henry family. I also watch their videos, and I love what they are doing, so that when people search for them, they will also see my video. The Harman. These are the kind of videos I am acting that these people also are into it. So when people search for them, they will also see my video. You understand? So these are the keywords I'm using for now. So once you are done typing in all these keywords, then you go ahead and click on save, and that is it. So the second one is when you want to upload your videos. Now they will give you two options, three options, which is to schedule it. Let me say, for instance, I want to upload this video. Now they will give me option to set it on public, to set it on unlisted, and to schedule it. So my advice for you, I know a lot of you will just go ahead straight and publish your video. This is what I'm talking about. So a lot of you will go ahead and click on the first one, which is public. But I advise you to always put your video, instead of putting it on public and having 100% chance of getting demonetized, because you might not be right about your video, there might be mistakes on your videos, and you won't even give YouTube access to, check the right people to push out to your videos. Now I advise you to always choose set your videos on schedule it a day before it is being on public. You know why I say schedule before it is being on public? This is the reason. You will give YouTube enough time to watch people that they will distribute these videos to. I think this is also why you are not getting views immediately you post your videos. Now, if you go ahead and publish it, YouTube will be like thinking, who am I going to push these videos to? Who am I going to? Before you know it, within a day, you will not see a single view, or you will be getting as lower view as you are not expected after putting on your works. But if you put your video on, let me end the screen recording. If you put your videos on schedule, I advise you to do it for 24 hours, like schedule it 24 hours. Videos that you want to play want it to play tomorrow, schedule it again today against tomorrow, so that once you schedule it, you are giving YouTube enough time to check your videos. If the video is okay, number one, they will notify you that your videos have no issues. Then if your video, after checking your videos, they will, know the right people to push it out to. You understand? So giving them time to push it to people, once it goes public, you will start seeing views. That is the honest truth. That is these two settings. I just want you to go ahead and do it right away, and come back to my channel and tell me your experience after this, because this is the experience that I have already had, and I am so grateful to God that it's working perfectly for me. My channel has been so nice. Like the way my channel has been turning around, I've been so grateful to God. And I also say thank you to all the people that have been watching my videos, have subscribed to my channel. Please go ahead to your YouTube studio and do these two things that I said: setting your keywords, putting your keywords. Make sure you put all the keywords that are necessary. Then make sure that anytime you upload videos, always choose schedule your videos 24 hours before it goes public. It will minimize your chances of getting your channel demonetized, due to maybe you don't know if the video that you posted is okay or not. Then the secondly is you will give YouTube time to check out your videos. To once it goes public, they will start distributing it immediately, because they have already known the right audiences to push it to. I hope this video helped you, my people, and I believe that with this you can be able to share these videos so that other people is going to see this information and they will like to try it out as well. So see you guys in my next video.